Hi!
Today po, i-assemble po namin yung Blockies Terra Venture Jurassic World 03 po.
Sir,
I like dinosaurs!
pati si Mami kasali.
Hi.
Open mo na.
Wow!
Let's go! Assemble natin. Sino kaya sa akin? Spinosaurus skeleton. Wow, ganda rin nung kay Mami.
What?
Ooh!
I got the Indominus Rex.
It's mine. Finish na agad. Part lang to nung spino na skeleton. I'll get another one. It also comes with a coin. Tapos yung jaw niya na.
Jawline.
Another one.
Ang liit.
Oh, ito yung gusto mo. Nasa akin na. The Indoraptor.
Oh! Nice. Oh yeah.
I'm done. Here's my Indoraptor. Ganda. It's fully articulated.
I'm also done. Here's my Indominus Rex. It's so white.
Finish na kami ni Gabe, oh. Si
I wanna
Mami,
build
hindi pa
another
finish.
one.
You wanna build one again? Another one.
I got the incubator. Egg. Here's the eggs.
Ayan yung kay Mami, oh.
I'm done with my eggs. And now open din po. Here's what we got so far.
Indominus Rex.
Spinosaurus skeleton.
Indominus Rex na skeleton.
Indoraptor.
And yung
Eggs.
incubator. That's
That's
all.
all.
Peace.
Thumbs
Thumbs up.
up.
Follow for more.